Okay, we will start from the axis, like Sambandana, the usage of Sambandana. Sambandana is kind of by linking the sentences or the idea, kind of the things. Sambandana. We have already familiar with the Sambandana. We will use what are the what are the samadhana that they're indeclinable? I mean, kind of indeclinable. Those samadhana shouldn't be in the declaration format or kind of it's just kind of indeclinable one. Uh we don't need any declaration format or any other like this distinguish masculine or feminine or neutral. We don't need anything to to distinguish like that. But Samadana is just the kind of format to put in the sentences and to connect or link within two idea or two sentences or kind of two phrases or these ideas sort of. So here we have the first word and in Pali we can understand ja ja or even only one ja can be write down for the translation of and. Okay, some are joining. So here, for the word and Jaja, can you read the first one? Taragoja,
Taragosa,
Darika, Sa,
Jaja,
Rikasa,
Rokasa,
Tayan,
Chayayan,
Tayan,
Gilanti,
Lanti,
Dilanti. Okay, so this is okay Jaja in the format of two Ja. So we will start from the first two Ja. So here the translation would be Daragor. Daragor is the masculine one, so it would be the boy, and Darika is the for the girl. Here we put Jaja between these two words, maybe between these two subjects, the main subjects. So we put the first subject, the first after the first subject, we put Ja and also we put Ja after the second one as well. So the boy, we can just translate it the boy and the girl. And then Rokasa. Do you know what does it mean, Rokasa?
Tree,
Yeah, Rokasa.
tree.
So that it means trees. But here, what's the have you remember what kind of case is it? The case. Nominative or accusative or kind of what sort of? Sorry? Or summer joining? What sort of case is it? Do you know, Rokasa? It is on like sorry, I couldn't think. So Rokasa is it in the ending point it asa can be because you should also remember the name of the case. If you already like off or something here off the tree, we can just translate it Rokasa is like off the tree. What is the case for the usage of the off? Do you remember?
Yes, Lisa.
Okay. What's the case? Do you know?
Genitive.
Genitive. Yeah, genitive mean off. So here off the tree. Oh, Rokasa chayayan. So off or here apostrophe adds or it can be translated. Huh? So here off the tree and then chayayan. What does it mean chayayan?
Chaya,
Mm-hmm.
Shade,
Yeah, it is shade.
Yeah.
How about with the grammatical format yan? When we put yan, how does it look like? When we put yan, what is the case here? It will change to which case?
Genetic.
Lo-
It's not
Located.
genitive. Yeah, located. Very good. Located means you can see here in the tree, in maybe in the shade. So in the shade can be chayayan. So when we put these two words together, rokasa chayayan can be in the shade of the tree or in the tree's shade. Both can be translated. So in the shade can be translated into chayayan, and of the tree is like rokasa. This is locative and this is genitive. Genitive is mostly for of, for the possessive one, of. And then chayayan is yam, mostly yam. You can remember yam or semang or kind of very like for telling about the plates, or maybe not plate, for the time frame, so that you for located is can be for the plates. So it will be time or plates, or you can translate it here. It is for the plate in the shade, within the shade, like in the shade. Gilandi. What does it mean, Gilandi?
Pilanti me play.
Play.
Play. Then play,
So
yes.
so here it's I need to enlarge. Okay, here is the translation of the one, the first ja, and then we can also look out for the second word ja. Can you read number? Here is just C11. Can you read this one? Gona.
Yes.
Có
Có
nam hình sa
mày
cha
hê sa mã mê sa sa
nam
tin
tin
nếm và đèn đi và đèn đi.
Yeah. This is, what does it mean, Gona?
Corner me.
Vào
The
cow.
cow? Okay,
vào
Mahensa. You know, kind of similar animal with the cow. Which would be? Similar animal. The cow, and which one is similar with the cow? Can you guess
Similar.
the word? For Mahensa?
mày sa snake đi sao?
It's not snake. Tin and Karandi. Who eat?
Yes,
Sorry.
yes, teacher. That is
That is
female
what?
thousand.
Oxen. No. Gona. Kind of gona. It's oxen. It will be male oxen. Oxen it is good for translation oxen, because this is the plural one, oxen. And what is mahemsa? This is kind of it has the black color, and it has the long tusk sometimes.
Is it buffalo?
Yeah, buffalo. It's no snake. Snake never eat the grass. I think so. This is the grass. So how do you translate gona mahemsa? The oxen and the buffalo. The oxen, and we can translate it and for the word here, ja. So here we can remember that we don't use two ja, but we just use, when we use only one ja, we have to put behind those two subjects. That's the difference of the two usage, ja ja and ja. For the two ja, we have to put after the two subjects, but for the one ja, we have to put only after the plates, after the two subjects. Có làm hay giả trả tin. So what does it mean, tin? Again, I will ask you again.
Grass.
So how about the kids?
Grass.
Where is the kids here?
Accusative.
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 City.
Very good, Tina. Accusative, because this is used in the object plate. So how about go nam hay sa? Where's the kids?
Có năm mê sa
Here are, and also here is also
Nominative.
are.
Yeah. Nominated.
Yeah, nominative. This is subject and plural. Nominative. This is object accusative, no? And currently you already know. So we will just Skip this one. And number 12. Can you read number 12? Saw.
ซอสะ
paham ca kacama
Can you repeat it? Saw ja.
ซอ
So
จะ
ja ahan ja kachama ma
Is it getchama? This is not getchami. So this one. So what does it mean? Saw.
ฮี
He.
or
it will be he. And then how about a hand?
วาย
he and I
Yeah, he and I. Getcha. What does it mean?
จะ โก
go
Go.
go
So how do you translate the whole sentence?
he and I kitchati
Sorry.
he
Getcha.
and I go
He and I
he
go.
and I
and go
He and I
sorry
go.
and go
It's not getchati. Why? Why? Here we have two subjects, saw and a hand. Okay, he and I. So that, but here we you get chama. So whenever you see two subjects in the kind of pronoun format, these two are pronoun subjects. Subject they use it in the pronoun. Pronoun me, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. That kind of pronoun subject. At the time, you have to look at very second word. Second word is ahem, but we use get chama. Why we use ama? Do you know? Can you guess?
because this is plural
is plural
This is plural. Very good. How many people here?
two
two
people
people
Two people. Saw and a hand, like saw ja a hand. So the two people. But we don't use get chanti. Ti and ti he tami ma. No? But here we don't use get chanti by looking at the word saw, or we don't use get chati as well. But here we have to see the very second subject of the pronoun subject. And then we have to use plural format of that related to second pronoun. So here we don't use gachami, but we use gachama because these are two people related to two people. So he and I go somewhere to somewhere. And how about here, the third one, tuam cha?